everybody, it's Julie Marie and it's a great day at the Protective Garden. I'm so excited because I was out here weeding and picking some herbs. I've got my chives and some green onion tops. I'm making Jerry some Green Goddess hummus for dinner with pita chips. And I want to show you what I spotted out here. Check out my peppers, my herb garden, my vining zucchini, my cucumbers. They're all coming along. We have grapes. Oh, I have to show you the grapes before I show you the tomatoes that popped up today. Look at my first ever grapes on my grapevine. They're still green. They're still very young. Not ready for picking yet because these are Tom Cord, Thompson Seedless, a green grape crossed with a red Concord. We're very excited about this. Everyone in the neighborhood's excited about these unusual grapes that I planted here in the Valley of the Grapes. Here's my other grapevine. I'm very excited about everything. Check out my tomatoes. Oh, and then there's my back tomatoes. That was my bed I had to put in because I had rollover tomato starts. Check out my melon bed. Oh yeah, it's all coming along finally. But today is a very exciting day. And it's probably going to be really laughable because I planted 48 of my 100 tomato plants. And look at what we have. Here's this is, wait, I've got to show you the sign. These are Golden Nugget cherry tomatoes. They taste like you kiss the sun, is what the package said. Angela in Colorado, one of our PD pros, sent me the seeds of her Golden Nugget tomatoes. And look at, we have one for Julie, or no, that one's for Jerry. Of course, the first one's for Jerry, and one for Julie today to add to the top of our hummus. Oh, there's a third one. Well, that one's for Angela, but she's kind of far away. Hopefully, she has lots of golden nuggets coming on in her garden soon in Colorado. And look at all of my babies. Oh, these are all different varieties. I have them all marked. I'm gonna have to give you a garden tour soon enough because OMG, look at my cabbages. Red and green, of course, for my Ruby Rock kraut. And I've got collards. And this is, I think, going to be a star of my garden this year. This is 1,000 head kale. It's supposed to get really big. And then I have other kale varieties here. Check out my potatoes back there. Check out Cassie and Rusty back there, my neighbors. They're my favorite neighbors. They love the greens from my garden. They know who I am. Oh my gosh. Everything's coming along so good. There's flowers on everything. I'm going to get some more flowers that are coming up soon. I planted so many herbs in all of these little side beds and flowers. The flowers should be coming soon. Lots of basil around my tomatoes and cilantro. Oh, I have one more thing to show you down here. My dill bed and my kale. And I'm saving this for my fall garden because I started the seeds inside already for my broccoli and my kale for the fall and some unusual things I'll share with you. But check out all my little cilantro microgreens right now. I've been trimming them and enjoying them. But I found they grow so much better in the shade here. So I've been planting them over here. Oh wow, and onions all along, and garlic all along. Oh my gosh, this year's garden is a lot different than last year's garden, and I still have the front yard to show you. My okra that I planted, pink okra. But I'll give you a garden tour soon because things are just coming on. We're just finishing up June. It's a weird time in the garden because we have lots of flowers. Lots of flowers to my cucumbers here. All my unusual cucumbers. But we don't have, oh, look at all these flowers. I know, I spotted a baby cucumber out here. This one's a Chicago Girl cucumber. Chicago pickling cucumber from 1888. Probably some of the Jewish settlers there started this variety in their delis. Oh my gosh. And they fermented them just like we do on a protected diet. Oh, look at all these flowers. Armenian yard-long cucumbers. Those are some of my favorite, and I found out those grow amazing in the desert. They're the desert cucumber. We've got a muncher cucumber coming up here. China jade. These are used in sushi. Tokyo green. These are going to be huge and long, and they're going to grow from my trellis here. Oh, yes. Extra long cucumber. This is another Japanese variety. And then this is very exciting. I can't wait to show you the zucchini that comes off of these variegated plants. Oh, look at those beautiful leaves. I'm so excited about this zucchini. It's going to be like a foot long and super thin, and it's going to grow and vine up my trellis. I also have this vining spinach that I'm very excited about. It's getting a real slow start. But if you haven't heard of that spinach, it grows great in the desert, and it's going to trellis all over my vines. Check out my turbine there. Jerry's been working on our power system to give us some electrical independence. It's not blowing too hard, the wind, which is unusual. It's getting a little break for a minute there. But oh wow, I'm having fun with this garden, and I'm loving it, seeing it coming up. By the mid-July, it's going to be happening. Oh, look at my sweet peppers. They're coming along. And then this is my favorite corner of the garden. Capsaicin corner, of course. It's going to be spicy in the protective garden this year. Take care, everyone, and I hope you're enjoying the kickoff of summer. I really feel like the first weekend of the 4th of July is the kickoff of summer, and our gardens are starting to look like something is going to happen, especially those of you in the Midwest. You're running on the same garden schedule as we are up here in Dameron Valley, or down here I should say. We're south of you, but we're way up top of St. George, so they're way ahead of us. They're eating their tomatoes and everything already, but we're just getting started. And I'm excited about these tomatoes, Angela. Thank you for sharing your seeds with me. I hope more of us can start sharing seeds within the Protective Diet community, because there is always more seeds to plant. When we save our seeds, I show you how to do it in so many videos on YouTube. Save those seeds and share them. Take care and best of health. Get out of the garden, Cooper. Come on, Coopsy. Let's go. Come on, guy. Cooper, come. Good boy. Yes. Awesome. You're a good boy. You're my guy.